Hey, what's going on, family? It's Brother Andrew, and today I'm excited to bring you guys a review of Queensboro, the embroidery company that's been making waves throughout the industry. I can't wait to go through this unboxing with you guys, so stay tuned. Cue the intro. Now let's talk about Queensboro as a whole. They've been in business for over 30 years and it shows. They've got a vast variety of products, from shirts to hats to bags to blankets and everything in between. And they have a user-friendly website that makes ordering from them a breeze. But let's answer the real question. How's the quality? Well, I can say with confidence, based on my purchases, they are top notch. The embroidery is consistently well done across all the products, and the material that they use is high quality as well. And you can even get some of your favorite brands and have those embroidered straight from their website. Brands like Nike, Carhartt, and many other name brands that you know have quality products. Plus, they have a satisfaction guarantee, so you know they stand behind their products. Queensboro has a reputation for having exceptional customer service, and I can see why, honestly. Ordering from them multiple times, I've never had any issues with trying to get a product exactly the way I want it. Now let's address the elephant in the room: pricing. Now, Queensboro is not the cheapest embroidery company out there, nor is it the most expensive. But what you get is a quality product from a reputable brand, and in my opinion, it's worth it. Plus, they often have promotions and discounts that make their pricing even more competitive. First off, let's take a look at the packaging. This is how it arrived. I'm not too concerned about the packaging considering it's clothing, but I've ordered from Greensboro before, and the packaging was much more sturdy in my previous orders. But yeah, this is how it came. So hey, let's open it up. All right. And I know Queensboro is an embroidery company, but they also offer printing services, and that is what I ordered this time. That's one thing I like about Queensboro. They offer printing and embroidery services at competitive prices. So yeah, I ordered. As you know, I'm the owner of Striving Fitness, and I ordered me some hoodies, man. Some printed hoodies with my company logo on them. Man, I must say, just by opening this up, feeling this is pretty good. Pretty good material. It's from Portland Company. I ordered the extra large. So yeah, check it out. Hoodie. Got the logo on the front left chest. Got the pockets down there. Good quality material. Got the big logo on the back. What you guys think, man? I think it looked pretty good. I'm gonna try it on and get a test. But that's the blue, and I also got the white. Can't go wrong with the all white, the icy whites. You feel me? Go with everything. Again, I ordered another extra large. Boom. And I got these for a pretty good price. I'll try to go into my account and let you guys see what I actually paid for these custom branded hoodies that I think will go fire with my company clothing. So yeah. Oh, and by the way, the shirts that I'm wearing in these videos, the collar shirts, I also got them from Queensboro. So like I said, I've ordered from these guys plenty of times and I've never been disappointed. They always took care of me and made sure the products was up to standard. So hey, we're gonna try this thing on. I've been using Queensboro for a majority of my branding apparel. See, like this shirt right here, nice embroidered shirt. I ordered from them. And I'm very satisfied with the quality of the gear that I've received in the past. And these hoodies are no different. Like I said, these right here, they are these aren't embroidered, they are printed. And this is actually my second time getting printed material, but you could see it's centered on the shirts perfectly. I got the back done, and I also got the front on the left chest. So I'm gonna try it on, let you guys see. I think I would try the white on because I think it'll match good. It'll go good with my colors I got on right now. That white. Got the white. So yeah, we're gonna pop these on, see how they fit. What y'all think? What y'all think? Feel real comfy, cuz. Feel good, look good. Let you guys see, you know, what we're working with. I'm liking the fit. Fit pretty nice. Got the nice branding on there. You feel me? Just like that. And this will do it for the white ones. I'm gonna put the blue one on. Let you guys see that. Check that out. See how that one look. Let me see how it look with the hat on. We're gonna check it out like this. Think we looking pretty nice, man. I like this. Think these guys did an excellent job. The quality's good. The comfort's there. The fit's right. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about, you know, the hoodie. I think we looking pretty good. You feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna try the blue one on. Let y'all see how that one look. Let y'all see the whole fit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got the nice branding. Looking good, looking good. Check it out with the hat. I actually got these hats from Queensboro too, man, which is crazy. So like, there you guys have it right there. This the fit. This the Queensboro fit. I think they did an excellent job. And for my small business owners, man, I don't really think you can do much better than Queensboro. And like I said before, they offer deals and discounts all the time. So they make their pricing even more competitive when you catch one of those deals. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing as much as I did. If you feel like you got any value from this video, hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel. Brother Andrew, out. Peace.